Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. After all the monsoonal action in the past week, we finally get to put our feet up this weekend and enjoy a bit of sunshine. That's no guarantee we'll stay dry, of course, just a lower chance of getting wet. The biggest 24-hour rainfall was Murray Springs with 133 millimetres, Low Isles nearly got the century with 94, Innisfail 71 mils, Cooktown 64, even Cairns picked up a bit of a drop. Today was a very warm day considering it's the second last day of summer, generally 1 to 2 degrees warmer than the February average, but it's almost March of course. On the satellite loop, once again thunderstorms got going near the trough line this afternoon, and if you watch carefully you'll see the line form the bright white dots here, just to the east of an inland trough. Severe thunderstorm warnings were issued for much of the state, especially the southern half through the Capricornia Wide Bay and southeast coast. Not on the Darling Downs, and the storms up in the tropics have been a little bit more minimal. This is today's chart. You can see we have a very open isobar pattern, hence it's still been very hot. But the southeasterly from the next high is starting to work its way into eastern Queensland, which will eventually cool things down just a touch. On tomorrow's chart, the southeasterly starts to freshen up along the east coast. You can see from the concentrated isobars, especially through the Capricornia and Wide Bay, we might get up to 25 knots or so, elsewhere about 20. And the showers and storms will go away slowly because the upper level trough will be offshore. On the outlook chart, this is the most stable day of all. Sunday should be mainly fine with just a couple of lingering showers. The trough is now offshore and just a light southeasterly breeze. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Cairns waters, south to southeast winds just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. Same again on Sunday. Good boating overall. Monday almost the same, a little bit more onshore. Tomorrow's tides, we have a low first up in the morning, followed by a high around lunchtime, and then another low tide at the end of the day. Enjoy them all. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, 40% chance of showers tomorrow the Bureau gives us. Possible storms again. Nothing heavy though. 33 the top for Cairns, Atherton 30, Innisfail 32, Mareeba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, not much variation in top or bottom temps as we move into March. Mostly average or slightly warmer, though we are expecting rainfall to increase again later next week. For Atherton, it's the same rainfall pattern, a little bit quiet over the weekend, and then you can see the chances increase to up to 50-60% Thursday, Friday. A splendid photo by John Casby to wrap up the week. Not much info on this one except that it was taken just recently from Castaways Beach. The wide spreading top of the storm would have made a pretty sunset. What a shame it was the wrong time of day. Have a top weekend, folks. Catch you Monday.
Wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you back on Monday night.
And just a reminder, if you did miss anything or you'd like to see something again, you can catch our replay over on 7.2. From all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night.
Good night.